How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the power button micro SD card circuit board from a Dell Latitude 5179. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Use fingers to pry open and remove access door. Then unscrew battery. Now disconnect and remove battery. Now disconnect docking circuit board cable. Now unscrew and remove bottom base frame. Then disconnect cables from circuit board. Now unscrew and remove power button micro SD card circuit board. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.